goal is to finish top 8. We don't want to go to the promotion relegation tournament, and we are looking at GB, and it's good we are playing against GB in the same pool in Vancouver. So that's a team that we are again going to monitor closely and make sure that we get a win over them, so that we can catch up with them. Again, we are not far off. I think it's 6 points against between us and GB, and that's something we can really achieve in Vancouver.